Imagine an 8-wheeled beast rolling across the battlefield, silent, steady, and deadly. And in just a few seconds, it can unleash a shell over 50 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy. No, this isn't sci-fi. This is real. This is the Nora B-52. Meet Serbia's pride in artillery engineering, a 155mm self-propelled howitzer built not only to look menacing but to perform with lethal precision. Developed by Yugo-Import SDPR, the Nora B-52 is designed for high mobility, long-range firepower, and rapid deployment in modern combat zones. With automatic loading, ballistic protection, and quick shoot-and-scoot capability, it's an artillery system that combines brute force with smart technology. It can strike targets more than 56 kilometers away. That's like hitting a target from downtown Belgrade to the outskirts of Novi Sad. But what truly sets the Nora B-52 apart is its evolution. The latest version, Nora B-52NG, brings in digital fire control, autonomous targeting, and modular upgrades fit for integration with recon drones and next-gen battlefield systems. In an era where speed and precision define victory, the Nora B-52 isn't just a weapon. It's a statement of Serbia's defense innovation. It's already being exported and upgraded as a global force to be reckoned with. The Nora B-52 is more than just a cannon on wheels. It's a message. A message that smart firepower is the future, and Nora is already there, ready to lead. So, are you ready to meet the machine that redefines modern artillery?